Hello, today we talk about something about the AutoCAM to create two paths for your rotary axis of your Cnc router. Usually, you may have this one of these type of machines. One is your rotary axis put along y-axis, so the rotary will take place of the x-axis. Otherwise, you may have a machine similar like this, and the rotary put transversely, so it will take the place of y-axis. This is all these x, y, z, and this a-axis work together at the same time. Okay, I only talk about the situation of a 3-axis machine. Well, this situation is more common, so I take this for example. While the rotary will put along y-axis and takes the place of the x-axis. Okay, so in AutoCAM to create a new model, pay attention that here the height usually it should be equal the height of the column shape we want to engrave on. That is something like this. Suppose this is column, so the length of it is here equals this height, the y, and the perimeter. The length of this circle will equals the width of the x here. So I just make it like this, and then I press OK. As AutoCAM is a software for mostly 3-axis machine, so it seems nothing different when you're doing work for flat work. Let's just say something, show something to you. I draw some line here, click and move on my mouse. When I hold Control key, it will be keep transversely. Then I click again and hit Enter key on my keyboard to get this straight line, transverse straight line. Okay, you may have noticed that I put the ends a little out of this working area because I wanted to be overcut a little. So when it's on the column, there won't be something not be worked. Okay, and now I going to move it to here, and I Control C and Control V. Then I drag it here, and then Control C, Control V, and here Control C, Control V. Okay, I select them both and do a line to left, and then I can make some simple two paths. I think the machine along vector is the one I need. I take the depth, make it to 10 millimeter, and the profiling tool I make it to a V carving this one, this shape, and the material I set it 12, and now Okay, and the second one same, and same 10mm depth, and I change another two, maybe something like this. Now, and this one I make it use an OG tool, something like this. Seems much good. And the last one, okay, just try this one. Okay, and in the 3D view, I simulation all the two paths. And this is what we got. 3 lines, straight lines, with different shape of tools. Okay. This is what we see in the flat work. So can you imagine how it will look like? On when it's wrapped to a column. To make it more clear, I think I can save it as a relief. And then I open it. So I have this relief here. I do this relief, create rotary relief, and wrap X. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing we have got if we work it on the rotary axis. So in fact, the two paths is nothing different. When we do in for flat work. It's only the machine itself. It uses rotary instead of the x-axis, so that makes the part we make into this column shape. Okay, I think this just okay and easy, and you can use this way to preview your two path. But in fact, you needn't to save the first 4 two paths into this relief, and you needn't use this machining relief straight the two paths to make the two paths. That will waste a lot of time. Just use the normal 2D two path tools to make the two paths, and that will save lots of time. And here I show you another thing to make the shape of a column. Okay, let's start from the very beginning, and also this size. Uncheck this make it to this, apply, and here make it 0, apply, apply. Okay, and here I draw something like this. Make it thinner. Select this, hold Shift key, select this, and use this extrude tool. Select it, select, subtract, calculate. Something like this. I think it is okay. Relief, and create rotary relief, wrap X. Okay. Okay. Here is the thing what we've got to we'll get for column shape. You can design this curve precisely and more smoothly in CorelDRAW or Illustrator, and then import it into ArtCam to do this. That will be better. Okay, here is how to make some simple relief for a rotary axis. Hope you understand. And the two paths will be the same. Will be the same as we do for in for 2D work. Yes. So just save the two paths as normal is okay. Okay.